Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change region or country on iPhone. Let's get started. First, tap the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap your name at the top. Then tap Media and Purchases. Then tap View Account. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID. Next is Change Country Region. Tap Country Region, then tap Change Country or Region, then select the country you want to switch to from the list. Then agree to terms and conditions and tap Agree at the top right corner, then confirm by tapping Agree again in the pop-up. And after that, you'll need a valid payment method and billing address for the new country. Enter your credit or debit card info or select None if you don't have want to add one. Enter your billing address in new country, then tap to save changes. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.